60 feet above sea level. And now, it's not much oxygen as normal. So we need to use a oxygen can to help us. So this is how we use it. First, put the top bit out first. And second, we take the big heart and face the 6 holes down and face the hole inside this thing. Then, when you're first gonna do it, you exhale out first, then hold your breath, and put the part in your nose and mouth, like this. Then, you hold your breath. When you're ready, exhale, hold your breath, put your nose and mouth in, then you press this button and you inhale at the same time. So it's gonna be basically like this. Bye bye.